Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys just how often I use my planners. I shared my planner stack with you all and I had a comment saying, wow, that's a lot of planners. And it is. I have 5 here. And I would call them planner/notebooks, but each of them has a specific purpose. So I'm going to go over the stack with you again and share with you just how frequently I use them from week to week. So starting off, we have my everyday carry, which is this Hobonichi Weeks dupe off of Amazon. I'll have links to anything I feature as well as related videos in the description box. So this planner, all the months are grouped together. Here is the weekly layout. So this one I use the most. This is what I grab for all the time. This goes in my purse with me. I've been using it since December. It is a 12-month undated planner, but I figured by the end of the year, if this is what I'm still using, I'm loving it right now. But if this is what I'm still using by the end of the year, then I can just always get another one and start December of 2022 and then go through 2023. So that is where I'm at with that. But I love this being undated because if there's a week that I don't have a lot going on or I just don't feel like picking up the planner, it's cool. It's not dated. I can just start and pick up where I left off with no problem. And I didn't think I was gonna like the months together, and I don't even know if I want to tab them. There are many tabs that you can find on Amazon, but I don't even know if I want to do that. I did get this Hobonichi Weeks cover. Although this is a dupe, I did get the original Hobonichi Weeks cover, and y'all, I'm loving this thing. I'm loving it. I love also that this is compact and I can bring it with me. It does fit in my fanny pack that I usually bring on the go with me as well. So this just works. This just works. But this is the one that I use the most and I pick this up every day. And for the space that I have here, if I have written everything out and use all the grid space, I just use sticky notes and plop it right on. There are a few notes pages in the back as well. I don't really use those. I just keep sticky notes back there. But so far so good. This is my numero uno. It gets used all the time. Next up, we have this A6 Stylogy and another Amazon purchase. I've used the B6 in the past. B6, one of my favorite planners of all time. I used a B6 Stylogy and I tried the A5, didn't like it. I'm going to be doing a comparison video for you guys of the 3 sizes, but y'all, I'm loving this. Is giving the B6 a run for its money. This is my personal growth journal. This is going to be coming with me as well, because I have time before I go to work and I'm just taking more time for myself and practicing mindfulness and getting rid of all the distractions and journaling more. I definitely want to get back to it. I used to journal a lot when I was in high school, even younger than that, and I just strayed away from it as years went on, but I'm back to it and I love this. I do have a setup video on this if you guys are interested that goes more in detail of how I'm using it. So this one, I wouldn't say that I pick it up as often as this one, but it does get used quite a bit. I just pick it up whenever I feel like it. Then there's this one. This really only gets used about once or twice a week on the weekends. I'm not really doing YouTube stuff during the week. I like to batch record and do everything on the weekends. And this monthly, I'm able to write out all the videos because I'm posting 3 times a week. So I map out all the videos and then any notes, I'm able to put them on the notes pages. So that is how I am using this. So this one doesn't get used as much, but it serves its purpose, and this is more of my weekend content planner. Then there's my memory planner. I don't pick this up a lot either because I write quite a bit of what's going on during the week inside of my Hobonichi Weeks dupe. When it comes time for me to memory plan, I go based off that, add in anything else that I want. So I may pick this up in the middle of the week. It depends on what I have going on. But if I'm picking this up in the middle of the week, I probably didn't plan in it the week before. So this gets picked up at least once a week, maybe. But I love this thing, and I was using an Erin Condren I was going to use that for 2022 as my memory planner, but y'all, the Michael's Recollections Planner just doesn't steer me wrong. I'm loving it. And I don't know what I'll be using in 2023, but for right now, for 2022, I'm loving this. So this one is more of a weekly type of planner-ish. Weekly. Then last but not least is my iPad. I use my iPad every single day, whether I'm playing Monopoly on here or checking my budget. Now my budget, I stick to my phone in using the Envy app. But when it comes to my budget planning, this is what I use. I created my planner in Goodnotes, and then any designing and fiction notes that I'm doing, I keep that in here as well. So this, what I love most about digital planning with this though, is that I can add a page whenever I want. I can move pages around however I feel. Also, because I keep track of my expenses. So you see this key up here, this I can copy and paste from page to page, y'all. This is just so seamless for me. And I have done paper budget planning in the past, and when I tell you that this is 10 times easier, and I'm like excited to budget, and like I don't mind looking at my finances and how much I spent, I'm cool with it. I'm so cool with it. So I have been doing weekly budget updates. If you guys are interested, be sure to check out the description box with that. And just the app that I'm using for my cash envelopes and sinking funds. So my cash envelopes are cashless, and my sinking funds, I am using cash, and I have a budget binder. So this is the app that I use, and I'm able to keep track of all of my transactions, and then I can look at this and then I put it in here because I like to just have a overview for each month and then compare and see where I can cut back when need be. But that is it for how frequent I use my planners from week to week. So there's the iPad, my memory planner, my content planner, my everyday planner, and then my journal. So yes, there's a lot in my stack, but they're not used all at once. This one is the one that gets the most love. Everything else, I pick it up when I need it. And some I just pick up when I feel like it, such as this journal. But that's it. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments section. How many planners are in your stack? Do you have a mix of planners and journals? How frequently do you use your planners? Be sure to check out all the links in the description box for links to products shown as well as related videos. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.